Hello everyone! Are you wondering what omnigender means? Let's explore. Omnigender describes someone who identifies with all genders. This identity encompasses a full spectrum of gender experiences, where an omnigender person might feel a connection to every possible gender identity, embracing them all as part of their own identity. Omnigender individuals often see gender as a fluid, inclusive concept that transcends the binary and includes all variations of gender. This term reflects a broad, all-encompassing understanding of gender, where every gender identity is a part of one's self-concept. In essence, being omnigender is about embracing the entirety of the gender spectrum, identifying with every aspect of gender identity and expression. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.